Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 417, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is the large hall closet. Beside the closet, you come to the kitchen with an electric oven and range, a dishwasher, a microwave, and a refrigerator. On into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture: a bookcase, a full-size bed, a dresser, a desk and chair, and your second closet. Plenty of storage space here. This apartment has 2 large east-facing windows that let in lots of morning light, despite a limited view of the buildings next door. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. Nice bathroom with a large mirror and vanity, and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 417. Call us today for availability.